Hello guys, this is Shujat from the Linux Gurus. In today's short video, we will discuss how we can create a clone from an existing virtual machine in VirtualBox. So in order to create a virtual machine, first click on the master machine that you want to create a clone from. Right click on it and click on clone. Then you need to provide a name for the create clone machine. You can also provide the path. In most of the cases you can leave that part as default. I am not changing it. Then you need to provide how would like your clone type to be. You can have option either to create a full clone or a linked clone. The difference between those is basically full clone is an exact copy of the original virtual machine with a separate disk space, and linked clone is basically a new machine will be created but the hard disk will be tied to the original machine's hard disk space. So if you are planning to create a machine where you need to make changes and you don't want your base machine, your master machine to be impacted, then I suggest you go with the full clone option. I am choosing that as well. Then after selecting it, you need to click on clone. Now the cloning process has been started. It will take some time. It can take anywhere around 2 to 5 minutes. So I will speed up the video so you don't have to watch all of that. So please be patient. Our clone machine is almost ready. Yeah, it's ready now. So we just need to boot it up and check if it's working fine or not. So just click on start to start the machine. It's booting up. Let's wait for it to boot up. Oh, our system has booted up. Just select your username, provide your password. See, you logged into your new created clone machine. It's working fine. That's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel and share our video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.